Hi there, so this video is about turning right, the faults that people do, and hopefully you'll avoid them. I'll show you what's happening. So let's get some driving done. So we'll move off. So I didn't indicate because no one was around then. So I've got a right at the roundabout. Nothing too tricky, just let them know. So the first thing is check your mirrors, centre right. That's one of the first things people do. They don't check their mirrors, they signal or move across first. So mirrors always come first. So we're going to go ahead at this little mini roundabout, then we're going to take the first right turn. So it's definitely clear to go ahead. So I'll just go around the roundabout a little bit and then let everyone know. Check your mirrors, signal in, and make a decision. Now them two cars have gone out of the way, so it's quite an easy one. It's definitely clear, but the road I'm going into, have a quick check, don't cut the corner. Now we had a white van there close to the junction, so I'm looking beyond the van, make sure there's nothing coming up the road. If there was, I might have to give way for it to start turning. And I mentioned don't cut the corner, don't turn onto the right hand side of the road, you should be going to the left hand side. Got another right turn coming up, the car just pulled in. So check my mirrors, centre mirror, right signal, slowing down for a lower gear. Now 9 times out of 10 you'll be in second gear. It's definitely clear, there's no reason to cut the corner. I'm looking beyond the silver car to go round him straight away and I'm moving on. So that's 2 nice easy right turns. Let's look at some more difficult ones in a minute. So we're going to go right emerge at the end, so we're going to turn right at the end of the road. So it's centre mirror, signal in. Anything that you're emerging right, you've got to be double careful. So I'm slowing down first gear, right, left, right as the minimum, right, left, right. You can do more and just checking because that white van there on that corner then is blocking my view slightly. If in doubt, slow down and give way. Slowing down for the bend, looking at the road, checking my mirror to pull out. So remember about the checking the mirrors before you move, that's another fault people do. So we're going to come back in a little bit, check up the road and come back out because that red van was blocking my view then. So it's left at this mini roundabout and then we're going to do the right turn, first right turn after that. So centre mirror, left, signal in, checking, definitely clear. And then we're going to do the first right turn. Now there's usually parked cars on this right turn. Now centre mirror, right mirror, signaling. There's a car coming towards me, so I'm slowing down, letting them go. This is a decision. Now, if they start flashing you, you need to make a decision. Are they actually? Is it safe to go? Yes or no? Are they flashing me? Looking at the road, because I don't want to go down the road if I can't get round that bend. I've got to make sure I can get into that left lane. There's another common fault. We've got another right turn coming up. It's an unmarked junction. For some reason, when it's an unmarked junction, mirrors, signal, people think they can just go where they want positioning. Get yourself next to the middle, slow down for a second, checking. So I checked ahead, I checked to the right. Imagine where you think the white line might be. Don't just cut across it. It's a silly fault people pick up. It can be dangerous. You know, if a car suddenly turns up trying to emerge out that road, it's a dangerous one. Yeah, so I'm slowing down for the car coming through, checking my mirrors, dropping the gear, checking my right mirror to go round, giving that space for that car, centre mirror right, signalling, check, and I'm going. And then I'm going to do a left turn, centre mirror left, signalling, slowing down. I can't really see much, so I'm slowing down for first. Checking, and it's definitely clear, right, left, right, and we've got one more right turn to do and then we'll finish off the video at that point. So same thing again, appropriate speeds, build your speed up, that's safe. It's a 30-mile-an-hour road. You can tell that because there's nothing saying anything else and there's a school there. They're not going to put a school on a fast road right next to it. It'd be dangerous. So we've got a right turn coming up and this is where you get to get your position in. Centre mirror, right, signalling. You've got your own little half lane on your arrow, so you're checking to come across. You won't just come across, you check your right mirror first, slowing down. It's important to get your position because if you stay in the left, you're blocking the traffic. A motorbike could come through. So that's a quick video on turning right faults. Hope you like it. If you do like it, give it the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe. Safe driving and watch out for my next video next week.